If you want to edit the control center on iPhone 16e, then first of all, of course, we need to open the control center. Now we need to simply press this plus button over here in the top left corner in order to open the control center in the edit mode. Now here we can, for example, drag the buttons, all these buttons by the corner. On the bottom right corner we have this thicker, much thicker part of the circle. And then we can use it in order to extend it to 2x2 size or 1x2, etc. So we can make the button much bigger. Besides that, of course, we can change the position of the button, move it anywhere we want to. So let's say I can drag the calculator and move it a little bit here, like move it around. As you can see, the repositioning of these buttons can be quite glitchy. So we have to sometimes be patient. It is ideally the best to hold the widget for like a second or two before the device catches up to our desired position and allows us to place the button into the desired place. Besides that, what you can do is, of course, add more controls. So we can press add a control at the bottom in order to find more controls that some of them can be actually quite essential to have in the control center. Besides that, of course, we can customize every other page as well. So remember that you can scroll down or over here switch to different pages in order to customize them as well. And you can create your own control page as well by going to the last page. So if you add a control to this list, then you will create your own control center page here. And in order to remove buttons, you have this minus button, of course, so you can tap on it in order to get rid of a control. And if you want to stop editing, simply tap anywhere outside of these buttons on an empty space, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!